Attention drivers! The backyard car wash is officially open. Who is first? Hello and welcome back to our channel. As you all know, I am a housewife and mom of 2 busy kids. Today, I want to take you through my morning routine. Mornings in our house are always busy, a little bit crazy, but full of love. Grab your coffee or tea and let's get started. I love starting the day by making something simple and fun for my family. Let's see, here, a star here, and a heart over there. The kids are gonna love these. To all the moms watching, breakfast doesn't have to be complicated to be special. On slow mornings, give yourself permission to keep things simple. You don't need a fancy meal to make your kids feel loved, just a little bit of imagination, like turning ordinary toast into stars and hearts, can make the morning feel magical. Good morning, my little ones. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Mom. It smells so good in here.
Special delivery for my 2 favorite stars. And here are some fresh berries, full of vitamins and energy for my 2 favorite explorers. How is your star toast, Leo?
It's so crispy and delicious, Mom. Look, I'm eating a shooting star. And mine is a little heart. It tastes so good and sweet, Mommy. Ooh, look at the big blueberries. Can I put them right next to my star toast, Mom?
Thank you. Of course, Leo. These are fresh berries, full of vitamins and energy for my 2 favorite explorers. Dear moms, remember, breakfast does not need to be complicated. Keep it simple and stress-free. Happy kids and a calm mom are much more important than a big, hard meal. Is a simple rule for every mom. Clean up a little bit right after you eat. Do not wait for later. A quick wipe and a fast wash make your day so much easier. Okay, team, it is a gorgeous afternoon. What should we do outside today? Any ideas?
Can we wash things? Like my bicycle and my toy monster trucks? They are super dirty. Yes! And my pink scooter and doll cars too. Can we use big buckets of soap and bubbles, Mommy?
A backyard car wash? That sounds like the most fun and splashing idea ever. Let's gather our sponges and head outside. Attention drivers! The backyard car wash is officially open. Who is first?
Me! My bike is super muddy from yesterday's adventure. It needs a big cleanup. And my blue car is covered in dust, Mommy. Can we make it sparkle?
Of course we can, sweetie. All right, team, grab your sponges. Let's make everything shine like new.
Look at all the bubbles, Mom. My bike tires are getting super clean. Look, Mom, my car smells like strawberries. We are doing a great job, right, Mommy?
Look at this teamwork. Every single bike and toy is shining like new.
My bike is totally clean. I even dried the handlebars myself. And all my cars are parked in a neat row. We worked so hard, Mommy.
You sure did. Now that our work is done, who is ready for a well-deserved treat?
I am! Let's get some ice cream! I need strawberry ice cream, Mommy. It's so sweet and pink, just like my favorite pink toys.
To all the moms looking for ways to keep kids busy at home, instead of just giving them toys, turn everyday tasks into a game. When you involve them in washing bikes or helping out, you keep their energy focused, make chores fun, and build wonderful habits together. Our weekend adventure was so much fun! But the fun doesn't stop here. Hit that subscribe button so you can join us for our next family secret tomorrow.